Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone out there is having an absolutely fantastic day today. So for today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. If you're not familiar with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it is a monthly beauty subscription from Ipsy where you receive 5 full-size beauty products each month for $25. And the value of the items you receive will be at least $125. So with that said, let's dive into the box and see what we got this month. When you receive your package each month, it comes in a pretty pink box with Ipsy on the front. And on the back is just your address. So let's pop her open. When you open the box, it says, it looks like that. I don't know what you can see. I don't want my stuff to tip out there. And in the top it says Glam Bag Plus here. And then in here it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Such a beautiful statement. We should all be true to who we are. Now, let's see what we got this month. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out of the box is the booklet that comes with it, and this one says, Welcome to the Block Party. Okay, and then inside the booklet, it tells you a little information on the products that we receive in the box. So, the first thing I am pulling out of here is from Suva Beauty. It's a Hydra Liner Cake Eyeliner. Hydra Liner in grease and 620 brush set. So this and the brush go together as a set. And it says, Suva Beauty aims to create beauty products that inspire creativity, starting with this liner and brush combo. The inky water-activated cake liner glides on with a smooth matte finish to create precise lines that won't smudge, fade, or transfer. So in order to activate this, it sounds like you have to wet your brush and put it in here to use it. Now, I have used a liner in one of these types of liners before, and it was okay. Oh, this one's kind of open. A little bit. That's what the liner looks like. I don't want to stick my finger in there because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or if I'm going to give it away. But like it says, you just have to wet your brush, I guess, and stick it in here and let it do what it does. The next thing I'm pulling out of the box is a matte color plus shiny balm lip crayon. And this is from Trestique. I mean, I know it goes on your lips, but let me see if I can find the description of this real quick. It says, Trestique knows you're busy, that's why all of their products multitask as much as you do. With this dual-ended lippy, you can create endless looks on the go from matte and opaque to sheer and glossy. It's got a creamy matte berry crayon on one end and a moisturizing balm on the other. Wear them alone, paired together, or with your favorite lip products. Your call. Okay, all right. Sounds interesting. So it appears that this is kind of a lipstick, a lip crayon, and a balm all in one. So let's see where okay, that's pretty. That's the lip, what do they call it? That's the lip crayon end, I guess. Let's go ahead and do a swatch of that. This color is beautiful. Oh, that's quite nice. Very, very pretty, and applies very smoothly as well. Oh, there's the little balm. I'm like, where's the balm? It's a little tiny balm on the end. Let's see. I mean, it's colorless, you can't see anything, but it feels really good gliding on. I don't know, I'd probably use that underneath my lipsticks, maybe like matte lipsticks for a little moisture. But this color is very pretty, and I know I'll definitely be using the crayon side. Not too sure about the balm side, but very nice. Next we have, what is this, R & Company High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. It says, founded by a group of industry's most sought-after hairstylists, R & Company is making waves in the hair care scene. This hair helper is full of healthy ingredients like conditioning sunflower seed extract, damage-preventing vitamin E, and moisturizing provitamin B5. The result, super shiny, smooth, frizz-free hair. Start with damp hair. Take a dime-sized dollop of this styling cream and smooth it through damp hair from root to tip. Let air dry or style as you need it. So it's a hair cream, a hair moisturizer, basically. Not sure if this is something that I would use for my hair. I have a bunch of moisturizers already and one that I particularly like. So this may be something that I pass on. Okay, next we have the 111 Skin or 111 Skin. I'm not sure how the brand is pronounced. And it's a vitamin C brightening booster. Okay, you can always use a little vitamin C. It says this lightweight concentrated formula is infused with firming red rice extract, vitamin C to help diminish dark spots and brighten your skin, and antioxidants to hydrate and help prevent future pigmentation and age spots. After washing your face, mix 1 to 2 drops with your moisturizer or apply directly to skin. Okay, that's pretty awesome. I already use a vitamin C, so this will be a nice addition as well. I'll have this for when I run out of the one that I'm currently using. Let me take it out the package so you can see what that looks like. Okay, I'm excited to get that. I can never have too many of those. And the last thing we have in here is the palette for Tetris and Ipsy. Tetris with Ipsy. I guess they did a collab with Tetris, the video game maker from way back in the day. I do remember Tetris, and it's like a block game of some sort, but it was a long time ago. It wasn't one of my favorites. I was more into the like centipedes, Pac-Man, and things of that sort. So I didn't really play Tetris much, but I do remember it. Now I got the Block Party palette, and that's what it looks like. Okay, let's pop it open and see what the colors look like. Okay, there's a mirror. There's 6 shades, and then there's a mirror inside that you can use to apply your shadows on the go. And the shades in here are Skyline, T-Spin, Top Out, Back to Back, Line Clear, and High Score. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you real quick. The shadows are, you know, they're kind of, there's a neutral. They look like 1, 2, 3, like 3 maybe shimmery or satin, and 3 mattes is what it looks like to me. And there's a couple of neutrals, and then you have like a grayish shimmer color, and then the other colors are pretty bright, like a pink or purple, and the blue. So I'm gonna show it to you one more time, and then I'm gonna do some quick swatches for you. That's how they swatched. We have Skyline, T-Spin, Top Out, Back to Back, which is really light for me, Line Clear, and High Score. Now the colors are really pretty, and I do like the palette. Would I say that I love it? Yeah, but it's nice. It's definitely, you know, it's a nice little palette. 6 shades. I'm sure I'll find something to do with it. If not, I'll pass it on to my daughter. I'm sure she'll enjoy that. All right, guys. Well, that's everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for this month. Let me know what you got in your box down below if you received Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and what you thought about this month's box. If you don't receive Ipsy Glam Bag Plus but would like more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description below for you. And guys, thank you so much for stopping by and spending a part of your day with me today. If you would take 2 seconds before you leave to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, I would definitely appreciate it. And until next time, have a fantastic day. Bye.